welcome back to my channel. As you know from the title of this video, I ordered my first Snob box. No, it is not in collaboration with Snob box. I ordered it with my own money. Now Snob box is like the first service in India where you can hire your own personal stylist. When you log on to their website, they make you fill up a questionnaire wherein they ask you several questions about what is your size, what do you like in clothing, how much would you like to spend on different pieces of clothing, if you're looking for individual pieces or if you're looking for them to style you in some outfits, whether you're ordering for a specific occasion like a birthday, anniversary, brunch or anything like that. The questions are very detailed so that they get a sense of your style. Then after you fill up that questionnaire, they just charge you with a fee of 199 rupees for styling you. They do not even charge you for the pieces they are sending. You just need to pay for the things that you keep after you receive them. After you complete this whole process, a stylist calls you and asks you basic questions about your personal style. Then I received my Snob box within a week, which I think was pretty fast. And then I received this huge box filled of bags, accessories and clothing. I haven't tried anything yet, so this will be my first time reviewing the products. The first thing that I got is this baby pink sling. Now it's a very interesting bag and has a very different shape. It opens from here. And has a sling attached to it. I'm not really sure if it's my style and whether I'm going to keep it or not. If you like it, comment down below and let me know whether I should keep this bag or not. But I really like the color. I have bags similar to this color, so I'm in a dilemma whether to keep it or not. But I really like it. This bag retails for 12.99 rupees, but this is on sale and then it's for 9.99 rupees. The quality is really good, the bag is really sturdy, so I think 9.99 rupees is a fair price. The next bag that I got is my absolute favorite. It is this black clutch. Now, I described my style to be pretty minimal and classy, and I do not personally like a lot of bling on my bags, and I think they really kept this point in mind. It is really classy and it was a task to open it first. Let me try. You just need to push it down and then open it. It has this sling attached to it, but I think I would like to wear it as a clutch itself. I do not own many clutches like this, so I really like it. I think I'm definitely going to keep this one. This bag is also for 9.99 rupees, and for the price, I think it's really a good buy. Now the stylist asked me over the phone whether I would like my jewelry pieces to go with the clothing pieces that I get, and I told her not necessarily because I would like to wear them with other clothing pieces that I already have in my wardrobe. So I don't want them to exactly match the pieces of clothing. I'll try each one of them on so that you can get a better picture. First, I got these golden hoops. I think hoops are very versatile. One of my most favorite accessories to pair with anything and everything. And I got these ones for 350 rupees, which I think for the quality that they are giving, price is actually really fair. I got two sets of rings. One of them is silver and the other one is golden. The golden set retails for 249 rupees and the silver one also retails for 249 rupees. All of the rings are really good quality. All of them are so unique and pretty. Really satisfied with all the jewelry that I got. Then I also got these really unique pair of earrings. I'll try them on. मेरे को भी समझ नहीं आ रहा exactly while they are packed. So I'll try them on and show you how exactly do they look. They retail for 199 rupees, and for the quality and the uniqueness, I think 199 rupees is nothing. I really like the fact, and I cannot stress more over it, that the stylist really stuck to my style. I told her I do not like a lot of gems and things like that in my jewelry. So she gave me really minimalistic pieces that I can pair with anything and everything in my wardrobe. So I really like this. Next up, I got this pack of clothing where it says pair it up, tuck top in. I think I need to tuck the t-shirt that they have given inside. Let's see what it is. The first thing is this nude camisole. This retails for 8.99 rupees. Now for this, I think the price is a little too steep because we find things like these in the market as well. and for price I think lesser than $8.99, but the quality is really good. It's ribbed and the color is very versatile, can pair it with anything. With this I received these black pants. These are belted utility pants. These retail for 15.99 rupees. I really like these. These are wide-legged pants. I really like the shape. Saw something like this on Shein. I had been thinking of ordering it, but I was really confused. Now I have received this so I can try and see if it looks good on me. But I think these two pieces together are definitely going to look really nice. Let's try them on. I think it looks really smart. I love the pants. I love how they look on me. I think it's a very sharp look. I still think that the ripped top is a little too much on the price part, but I really like how these two things look together. Especially the pants, the material is so nice. They're really structured as well. I really like how they look, and I think this whole outfit paired together with this clutch is going to look so classy. I am really thinking of keeping this one. It really looks very pretty. I am really impressed by this. Next up, I got this white t-shirt. It has a really cute patch on it. It is shooting hearts, so quite my style. The t-shirt retails for 9.99 rupees. Something like this on H&M or Forever 21 would be around 600 or 700 rupees, and for the quality that they have sent, I think 9.99 rupees is a little steep, but I think it's kind of okay for the t-shirt that they have given. With this, I have received this mustard kind of a skirt. I really like the skirt. It's a button-down skirt, and I need to pair it up with the t-shirt tucked in. And then they have given me this rust denim jacket to go on top of it. It's cropped, and I think the whole outfit is going to look really very cool. The denim jacket retails for 18.99 rupees. In any store, denim jackets are usually around 2,000 rupees. So I think the price of this jacket is quite fair. Let's try it on and see how this quad set looks. Okay, first of all, the color of the denim jacket and the skirt do not match. So I don't think अच्छा लग रहा है साथ में. I really like the denim jacket as an individual piece. It's really cropped. The color is really pretty and it's quite oversized. The sleeves are a little balloony, I think. When I take this off, the t-shirt is cute. The only thing is that the arms are a little loose, and the skirt I think is also cute. I'm not so sure if I like this whole quad set or not, but the skirt I think is a little different and I would like to try something different like this. But I'm definitely not keeping the t-shirt. The material is really light, and for $1,000 I'm not going to pay $1,000 for this t-shirt. I am thinking of keeping the denim jacket as well because I think it's a really unique piece and the color is so pretty. Let's see what I do about this outfit. But as a whole, I think the outfit does not look very nice together. I don't know, let me know in the comments below what do you think about the whole outfit. This next pack says pair it up, style is best pick. So I think the best clothes are going to be in this packet. Let's open up and see what is inside. The first thing is this. Oh, it's a dress. The first thing is this pink vest dress, I think. It also has a belt with it, I think, to cinch the waist. This is very classy. The fabric is a little light, but I think it's really okay. The armholes, I think, are a little too big, but we'll try it on and see how it looks. This retails for 15.99 rupees. The quality and the fabric, I think, is a little light for 1,600 rupees, but we'll see how it looks put on. Now this dress I really like. It is really very classy. The only thing about it is that it's really loose upar se. The armholes are really loose and the neck is really loose. But overall, I think this dress looks stunning. I love how it looks on my body as well. I think it will be great to wear in the day as well as in the night. And I think this looks really pretty. The next thing that I got is also a set. First thing is this white crop top. It has bell sleeves. It's It's really pretty. I think it's going to look very cute if it fits me correctly. I do not wear crop tops that often, but I do not shy away from wearing them, so I'm open to trying how it looks. This retails for 8.99 rupees, which I think is okay. With the crop top, I got these striped pants. They have blue stripes all over it, and I think they have kind of a paper bag waist. They also have a belt to tie around the waist. We'll see how these two look paired together. These retail for 13.99 rupees. Now these pants are a size 1 size. जो 1 size चीजें होती है ना, usually वो मुझे नहीं आती because my hips are fuller than my waist and वो ऊपर नहीं चढ़ती, and ये भी ऊपर नहीं चढ़ी है. I think they would have been fine by the waist because as I look, I think it's my size. But वो ऊपर ही नहीं आई, so they are of no use. The crop top that came along with it, it fits okay, but is not as flattering on my body as it looked in person. I'm not comfortable seeing myself in it. Also, I do not have a problem with crop tops, but this, I think the material is a little too hugging for me, and I don't really like it on my body, so would be returning these two things. The next thing that I got is also a set. Oh, it's a grey skirt. I think it's really classy, but again I think the waist is a little too big for me. It has 2 pockets on the back as well, and this cute tie thing in the front. With this, I received this red top. Oh, it's a peplum top. I really like peplum tops with skirts. It also has this tie thing in the front. This retails for 9.99 rupees. Again, the fabric is, I think, is a little too light for 9.99 rupees, but it looks very pretty. So we'll see how it looks put on. Now the top is really cute. The only thing wrong with it is that the button below the chest area does not close. It hardly closes. It leaves a gap in between, जो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I think I would have to return the top, as much as I like how it looks. And the skirt, it is fine by the waist. मैं बड़ा बोल रही थी कि waist मुझे बड़ी लग रही है. It is fine by the waist, but it is really tight on my hips and does not look flattering at all. So I would have to return the skirt as well. But the whole outfit together looks really cute. I see why the stylist wanted me to pair these things together. But both of these things do not fit really well, so I would have to return the outfit as much as I like it. So, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Now I also received a style note by my personal stylist, and this, it is written what to pair with what and how it will look and which occasions should I wear it to. So I think it's really a nice personal touch to all the outfits she has sent. So my overall experience with Snopbox, I would have to say, was not up to the mark. As much as I liked all the products were of really good quality. Only some of them had a little lighter fabric, but everything was really good. The style was really amazing, and all of them were really different and unique pieces as well. But according to the fit of all these products, they did not fit me as well as I thought they would. So I was kind of bummed about this fact. Otherwise, the products were great. The service was great. I received all the products in no time. I would recommend the service as well, and I would not even think twice about ordering it again for myself in some time. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. We are super close to 2,000 subscribers, so it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.